Now that we've defined some geometry points and aggregated them together into a list, let's go ahead and take a look at the third step in our workflow, which is typically to go through and create something. And in this case, we're going to create a geometry curve. And we'll do that a couple different ways. We'll look at creating a NURBS curve, a smooth curve between the points, as well as looking at how we can create a polycurve, sort of a multi-line segment between those different points. So let's switch over to Dynamo and take a look at that. I'll just pan on over a little bit to some of the nodes that we're going to use. So we have our list of points here. Let's go ahead and, maybe for the purpose of this, I'll use the series. Well, I'll use the list of points first. Okay, if I go through and create a NURBS curve, I'll pan that out of the way just so you can sort of see that a little bit better. Okay, that's just a smooth curve between the three different points. If on the other hand, I'd prefer to create a polycurve, it just creates a multi-line segment between the different points. Okay, so pretty straightforward, either NURBS curve or polycurve. Again, you just feed it a list of points. Now, if on the other hand, you prefer to work with that bigger parabolic series, you can do that too. Again, we'll just take those into the NURBS curve. Okay, or if you prefer, into the polycurve. A little bit hard to see the polycurve, just because the straight line segments are sort of approximating a smooth curve. Okay, so either one of those are available, either the NURBS curve or the polycurve, but again, you just have to feed it a list of points and you create that geometry curve that you can then use to start placing some different elements.